In this video, I'm going to show you how to make your own animation using this free website called Piskel App. So if you go to the Piskel App website, it will ask you to log in, and so just use your Google account and link the account with your Google. And once you're in, you're going to push the button that says Create Sprite. And so what a sprite does is it allows you to create multiple frames. So each of these is going to be a new frame. And we're going to use this website to make an animation of one or more of the boundaries. So this would be a convergent boundary, this would be a divergent boundary, and this would be a transform boundary. So let me show you how to do the divergent boundary. Okay. So the first thing I will do is I will put in a background. So there's a paint bucket here, and let's choose the color. So let's get some sort of earthy color going on. So we can choose our color, and then if we fill the whole thing, we have some earth. Then I'm going to choose my pen tool, and you can have the pen tool as different sizes. So let's choose a thicker pen size, and let's make a nice black line. Oh, that's actually too big. Right? So here are our two plates. And so what we're then going to do is we're going to show how these plates are going to separate with divergent boundary. So this one will go that way, and this plate, oops. So if you ever make a mistake, Command Z, go that way. All right, not bad. But this is not an animation yet. We need to have more than one frame. So let's add another frame, and you're going to start to see that this is going to blink, 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 blink. So let's just slow this down to maybe 2 frames a second. All right, so let's start again. Oops, let's put our color background, and then because it's a divergent boundary, each plate has slowly separated. So this plate and this plate have slowly separated. So it's continuing to separate apart. And when it's separating, then we have this area in the middle, and this is where the new magma oozes through. And so we can then fill this in with a nice red color to signify the magma. Now if you look at the preview here, you'll see that it's slowly oozing out. So let's do one more then. So we can add a new frame. Let's put the background again, so the paint bucket, and we can separate even more. So now this one separates even more. And we'll fill in the middle. And so now you can see it's oozing out. Now let's do actually one more then. I'm actually going to copy this one. And after, let's say, the divergent boundaries kind of slow down a little bit, maybe some earth fills in there, and then some dirt, and then some grass. So let's replace it with maybe some grass. So maybe get some greenish color, and then we can fill that with grass. And then now people can live there and do their things and stuff like that. Hopefully you're not living on magma, but you can live on grass. So that's how you make the Piskel app. Let's save it now. So on the right hand side, there's a save button. So you can push the save button, give it a name. So we can call it, oops, let's try that again. Give it a name. So we can call it, put your name, and then divergent boundary. And then you're going to save it to your gallery. Let's make it save it to your gallery. Right? And so it says right here, Mr. Lee Divergent. And now to put it into your slideshow, what you have to do is you have to export it. So there's a export button here. And what the export button does is it's going to make a loop. Let's make this 320 by 320. We'll keep it as a GIF. We'll keep it looping repeatedly. And you have a choice now. You can either download it to your computer. So let's do that one first. If we download it to our computer, it's now on my desktop. And then what I can then do is I can put that into the slideshow by just dragging and paste, dragging it onto it. Right. Another way to export is you can upload it to the internet. So you can upload, and it gives you a website. So if you then take that website and copy it, and you can paste it into your slideshow right there. So that's my diversion boundary. And so my challenge to you is to see which ones of these you can make. If you can try to make a divergent boundary, a convergent boundary, and a transform boundary. All right, hope you have fun with this.